Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to free up RAM while using Chrome or Edge web browser with multiple open tabs in computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I'm gonna use a Chrome web browser. So if you're using a Edge web browser, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for one application named as Tab Suspender, and the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it, and now you can see here Add to Chrome. Just click on it. Now click on Add Extension. So finally the Tab Suspender has been installed successfully. You can read the instruction. If you are new to this plugin for the first time, then you can just read it, or you can just skip it if you want to use the default. So I'll just skip it. So now you can see here extension icon. Just click on it, and you can see one pin icon here. Just pin it. So now let us try to open multiple tabs, and we'll check what this Tab Suspender usually do to help to free up more RAM. So finally you can see I have opened multiple tabs right now on my Chrome web browser. So now just click on this Tab Suspender plugin icon, and now you will see your auto suspend interval, right? So you can just increase or decrease. So I'll just set it to 1 minute, and below you can see some more options. If you want to set a custom option for your particular tabs or website, you can just don't suspend this site, you can just disable or enable, and below you can see tons of options. And you can go to the settings also if you want to minimize more the auto suspend tab up to 10 seconds. So I'll just set it to 10 seconds, and below there are tons of options, so I'm not make you bored by showing each and every option, so you can check out by yourself. So let us wait for 10 seconds and we'll check if the other tabs are being suspended by this Tab Suspender or not, in order to free up more memory. Now let us check if the inactive tabs has been suspended or not by this plugin called Tab Suspender, and we'll check if it really free up the RAM or not. So now let me click on the inactive tabs, and finally you can see so it has reloaded. Let me click on this. So you can see it is being suspended. So wait for a few seconds, it will automatically reload since it has been suspended. So you can see so all the inactive tabs has been suspended after a particular time which we have set. So by using this plugin named as Tab Suspender, you can free up RAM while using Chrome or Edge web browser with multiple open tabs in a computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool plugin, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.